You my buddy?
Yeah.
Ask your doctor if Symbicort is a good choice for you. If you can't afford your medication, AstraZeneca may be able to help.
More? More?
Why does Blackjack make this
I
thing?
could do this all day.
Yep, I'm sure he let you.
Second best never crosses your mind.
Don't stop now, say. Don't stop now.
Only Rocky Mountain water and the best backcountry barley. Because when you're setting your
I
way
wish I had a little buddy like you. Yeah.
yourself, if you can drink to that, we got
Are you taking a video?
your name.
A lot of them animals.
The banquet beer.
Sunday starts here.
Never been around anything like this in my life. It's about as empty as you get to feel.
Alexa, Mima just said for me to stop and check the burns.
She said yes.
She like when you pet him.
Okay.
If they're on,
Does he?
make sure they're all on.
All right.
You stay here all day, huh?
I'm gonna see how my dad's on the TV.
2010 season.
Yeah. What are you doing? What do you say? You say, keep scratching. Don't ask me questions. Under your ears, where you can't reach. Huh? Well, you spoiled rotten. Boy. Huh? More? Okay. More? You comb your hair today? What? Comb your hair today? Christmas. Yeah. Christmas. Man. You're spoiled. Yeah, you are. You're spoiled.